Hi boys and girls, welcome to another episode of our remote gardening. And you might notice today I'm not in the veggie patch because if you don't have a big space at home, you might just want to have a little kitchen garden and just have a little area of plants. And I've got a little kitchen garden close to my kitchen where I keep things that I like to add to my meals when I'm cooking. So let's have a look at some of the herbs that you might want to think about putting in a kitchen garden at home. And if you have these things, it's always good to have a little smell because they've got really strong smells and strong flavours. I've got some mint, I've got some rosemary, I've got some thyme. They all smell great. And then I've got some baby spinach, which isn't doing too well because the possums have been having a go at that. And the thing with your herbs is you've got to be really careful that they don't bolt. So this one here is starting to bolt, so I'm going to have to chop it back. So you might have to get your secateurs out, cut it off, because it'll take over the whole garden. So it will just take it off where it's starting to get around other plants or climb over the wall. So I'll take that off. And I've already been out here chopping off the coriander because it had really bolted and gone crazy. I left this little bit here because we've talked about having our flowers. They attract the pollinators, and we've got some more flowers here. So this will bring the bees in to help all these plants grow. The other thing you might want to put near your kitchen or around your house are some fruit trees. And I've got some citrus trees out here which help if I'm cooking and I need a piece of citrus fruit. So you might have a lemon or a lime, or most of these ones are gone because we ate them. You might have a mandarin. So that way you can pick your own fruit and have it when you're feeling a bit hungry. So lots to do in the garden. With these ones, they're better because they don't take a whole lot of weeding, and you can just have a little space at home and work a little space with just a few herbs to make your food taste good. Always remember to keep up the water, and you can have lots of fun outside in the garden. See you next time from the garden. As you can see, watering can be a problem in my place. Off.